Hi there. In this very short video, I'm going to show you how I use Scribe for tutorials. Scribe is an amazing tool. It's an AI guide tutorial tool. It basically captures the steps in whatever process you're trying to show. So this is a screenshot of the dashboard when you log in. You can see that these are my different scribes that I've already created. The first one that I'm going to show you here is actually what's called a page, which is really neat because you can put multiple scribes, multiple tutorials. So if we look here, you come in, I'm going to click on the Chat GPT and Google Sheets. So this is, again, it's called a page because we have multiple steps in here. And each of these steps has a Scribe tutorial embedded inside of it. So this is really cool. This is what it looks like. And in a moment, I'm going to show you how to do this. So each of these steps is based on a click. And you can see the orange circle there makes it really clear on what to click on. And then it uses AI to actually fill in the steps where it says click view API keys. I didn't type that in. It uses AI to see what's happening when you click a button, and it fills that in, which is really, really nice. It makes creating this so much faster. So to create a new one, just click on new, and I'm going to show you now how to actually use this by setting up a recording in StreamYard. So if you look on the right here, you're going to see every time I click a button, it's recording it. So you see it's capturing my screen. So whatever process you want to show, in this case, I'm showing how to create a recording, which is this one. And if you look on the right here, again, you'll see that every time I click a button, it's capturing it on the right-hand side and actually showing what I'm doing. So I love this tool. It's really amazing. I hope you try it out. It's one of my favorite AI tools for creating tutorials and videos.